Hello, good morning. In this video called Characteristics of Negotiation, I start by introducing the definition of negotiation and then I continue with a list of its characteristics. Negotiation describes a process. It comes from the Latin nec, meaning no, and the Austria leisure. In the past, this notion referred to those businessmen who had no leisure time. Later, in the 19th century, negotiation got related to diplomacy. Today, we define negotiation as a dialogue between two or more people or parties trying to reach a beneficial outcome over one or more issues. An important piece of this definition is that there must be some kind of conflict with respect to at least one of these issues. Next, let's revise a characteristics of negotiation. Everyone is a negotiator. We may like it or not. We can be good at it or not so much. It doesn't matter. We cannot escape from negotiation. We all have to negotiate on a daily basis. The importance of arriving at a point where people feel winning is important for peace, sanity, and productiveness. Make us all be a negotiator. When deciding where to go over the weekend, when sharing tasks with teammates or colleagues, when convincing a client to buy a product, we all negotiate, consciously or not, but we all negotiate. First, negotiate with yourself. Often people fail at negotiating because they don't know what they want. They know that they want to win, but they haven't decided at what cost. People frequently want it all. They do not know what to trade in exchange of something they want. So first, we need to negotiate with ourselves and set our priorities. Most of the time, there is more than one people negotiating. We need to admit that when people negotiate, frequently others are behind. For example, in a job proposal, families could be behind. When buying a product on behalf of a company, the boss or owner of that company is behind. When negotiating public policies, government officials, association of workers, companies, and society at large are behind. There are needs and wishes in conflict. If we have to negotiate, that's because there is conflict. But not all conflicts are a bad thing. The mentality of a good negotiator is that even better outcomes can result from a conflict. There is a belief of gains. People accept to negotiate only because they do have a hope of winning something. Otherwise, they don't. So are you ready to compromise in order to get what you want? How much? Giving and receiving must happen. This is the most interesting part of negotiation. We need to choose between what we give and what we receive. People wish to end up in agreement. Indeed, and these characteristics give hope to the whole process. Finally, people need to manage tangible and intangible things. Tangible things can be money, product, services, terms of conditions. Furthermore, picture intangible things. For example, respect, dignity, appreciation, empathy, solidarity. All are hard to measure, but they are key when people negotiate. Let's imagine you're planning a trip with your friends. You're organizing the schedule, the places to visit, and the money you will need to expend. To come up with an agreement, you all depend on each other. Whatever trade-offs you decide and eventually affect those going to the trip and even those who stay at home. Now let's change the example. You're about to start working. You need to negotiate conditions and of course your salary. If the company offers you a good deal, you want to accept. What is a good deal for you? Probably a good salary, good benefits, nice work conditions, and I can continue. Your outcomes depend on the company's offer, but the company outcomes also depend on you. There is interdependency. When people are interdependent, they need to resolve their differences. They need to mutually adjust. This mutual adjustment continues during the whole process of negotiation. Proposals go and come all the time. Negotiation is an ongoing process which transforms through the time. People expect and demand concessions all the time. A good negotiator gets prepared for both asking and giving.